Let's move to the question number 4. It is given that the diagram shows part of the curve y is equal to x square minus 1 over x square. The shaded area is bounded by the curve. The line x is equal to 2 and the x-axis. This is the shaded area. Find the volume formed by the shaded region is rotated through 360 degree about the x-axis, giving your answer correct to 2 decimal place. Okay, we have this shaded area, and when it is rotated 360 degree, so we will have something like this shape, and this shape will be look like you can say that cone like shape. When this curve rotated 360 degree, it will make a volume which is called volume of revolution, and the volume of revolution is calculated by using the formula v is equal to pi under root a to b y square dx, and in this case y is given, and the range of AB is from this point to this point. So this one is B and this one is A. So we have already given the value of B, we need to find the value of A. So first we find the value of A. As we know that this curve intersect at x-axis, so we can say that its y coordinate is 0. So y is equal to x square minus 1 over x square, and in this case y is equal to 0 to find the x-axis point. So plugging y is equal to 0, we will have 0 is equal to x square minus 1 over x square, and this one is equal to x square is equal to 1 over x square, and this one is equal to x to the power of 4 is equal to 1. So we have x is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1. Now we will use the formula, that is v is equal to pi integrate y square dx from limit from a to b. So in this case a is 1, b is 2, and y is given, which is x square minus 1 over x square. Using formula of volume of revolution, so we have v is equal to pi integration from a to b y square dx, and this one is equals to pi. A is 1 and b is 2, and we have the y, which is x square minus 1 over x square whole square with respect to dx. Okay, let's solve it further. We will have v is equal to pi, and we have the integration from 1 to 2. Now apply a minus b whole square, so we will have x to the power of 4 minus 2 times x square times 1 over x square plus 1 over x to the power of 4, and this will be integrated with respect to dx. Further solving, we will have v is equals to pi integration from 1 to 2, and this one is x to the power of 4 minus 2, and 1 over x to the power of 4 can be written as plus x to the power of negative 4 with respect to dx. Now pi, now apply the integration, and integration of x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 5 over 5 minus integration of 2 is 2x, and integration of x to the power of negative 4 is x to the power of negative 4 plus 1, and in denominator we will have power which is negative 3, and we have the limit from 1 to 2. Now apply the upper limit and then lower limit. So pi, we have the upper limit which is 2, so 2 to the power of 5 over 5 minus 2 times 2 plus 2 to the power of negative 3 over negative 3. Now apply the lower limits, minus apply the lower limit which is 1, so 1 over 5 minus 2 times 1 plus 1 over negative 3. Solving further, we will have pi, and this one is equal to 2 to the power of 5 is 32 over 5 minus 4, and this one is equals to the negative 1 over negative 3 times 2 to the power of 3 which is 8, and minus 1 over 5 negative times negative 2 is plus 2, and negative 1 times 1 negative 1 over 3 is positive 1 over 3. 32 over 5 minus 1 over 5 is 31 over 5. Negative 2 plus 2 is negative 2, and sorry, this one is equals to the positive. So this one is 1 over 24 plus 1 over 3. Solving further, we will have pi, and 31 over 5 is 6.2 minus 2. 1 divided by 24 is 0. And negative 1 over 4 is 0.0416, and 1 over 3 is 0.333 plus 0.333. So when we solve it, we will have pi times 4.491633, and this one is equals to 4.49 pi. This one is equals to 14.11, which is equals to the volume. So we have calculated the required volume of revolution.